Meet Lauren, a hardworking Facebook group owner who has wisely created rules for her group. But then the trolls show up and cause trouble.
Hey guys, this is my health and fitness group, and as the group owner, these are the dumbbells that I recommend.
I know I just joined this Facebook group, but if you want the best dumbbells, then you'll PM me for more details, eh?
Does anyone know, like, a good Facebook ads expert? Bridget. Oh my god, me? Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so humbled.
Aha! I was accepted into Book of Facebook group. It is now time for world domination. Eh? Let's see. I'll choose you and you and you and you look like you have money and yeah, no, not you, no, over to the left. You, yeah, you right there. And you, and no, not you, no, next one. Alright, I have tagged every one of you in a new post inside of group. We have a clear no spamming rule inside of group. Okay? No spamming. Even though you're all here without your permission. You all spam the group? Screw you!
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Ben Perry here. Thank you so much for watching the video. We had a ton of fun creating it. If you liked this video, leave a like or a heart on this video. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought. If you like to see more of these videos, then let me know in the comments down below so that I know that I can make more of these types of videos. And also tag a fellow Facebook group owner who knows the struggle of Facebook trolls. We'll see you next time.
I can't. This is really hard gum. You're just gonna stand still. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and you're doing this over there.
And then...
I'm checking myself out.